In this video, you'll learn how to deactivate your OKX account. This process involves a few straightforward steps within the OKX app, ensuring that you can complete the action efficiently. Begin by opening the OKX app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet to ensure smooth navigation through the app. Once the app is fully loaded, look for the Profile of Me icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This icon typically resembles a person or an avatar. Next, tap on the Profile of Me icon to access your account settings. After tapping, you should see a menu with various options related to your account. Look for the Settings option and select it. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage your account preferences and security settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, locate the Security Center option. Tapping on this will direct you to the security features of your account. Here you will find options to enhance your account security and manage various account-related actions, including deactivation. After accessing the Security Center, look for the option that says Close Account or Deactivate Account. Selecting this option will prompt a warning message regarding the consequences of deactivating your account. It is essential to read this warning carefully to understand what deactivating your account entails before proceeding. Once you have reviewed the warning, tap Confirm to proceed with the deactivation. At this point, you will be asked to enter a verification code. This code can be sent to you via email or SMS, depending on your account settings. Check your email or SMS for the verification code, enter it into the provided field, and then tap Done to finalize the deactivation process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.